Yo guys, what's up? Here with a new YouTube video, and I know guys, it's been a minute, and let me explain why. Because if you see, there's no Z. Now I crashed it. But yeah guys, I crashed Z. I'm gonna run the clip right now. So chat, we crashed our car, and yeah, I mean it's fine honestly. I think so far. Just a bumper fell off. This is Ben's. I think the fender. There's something with the fender. There's something with the fender. This is Ben's. And back here, wheels on more scuffs. Then back here, this is loose. Why is there so much water? And this is completely scratched. Then my exhaust is bent. But I mean, other than that, I think I saved it pretty good, honestly. I was literally gonna buy wheels next week. Wheels and tires. Lee was buying next week because they are bald. They are bald. But that, yeah.
So what happened is I had bad tires that were completely bald, and I knew it was bad because I hydroplaned previously, but I seen this puddle up there, so I slowed down as much as I can. But as soon as I hit that puddle, I just completely lost it. Spin out, hit the wall, the front, the rear. So yeah, both suspension were cooked, like front and rear suspension were cooked. It's still in the shop, so yeah.
I had bad tires. I'm gonna show you a picture right now of the bad tires. But I have bad tires, and I ordered new wheels. So I'm gonna show you the wheels in a second. So guys, look at these wheels. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! Wow!
I don't know how to pronounce it, but Aodhan, I can't pronounce it, but let me just show you, put in what these tires are and the size. I think the fronts are 18 by 9.5, and they have two 55s on. And in the back, we have 19 by 11 with 285. Just look how thick these are. So I cannot wait to put these on, because just look how insane they look. I was looking for what wheels I should get, many different options I want to get, and I chose these because I like the Workmeister wheels, and I feel like they kind of look similar. So yeah, I got those. Very expensive, so please like and subscribe so I can keep doing content. Sorry guys, haven't posted in a minute, but I just had school football, and then I crashed the car, so I couldn't do content if I didn't have a car. So we're gonna transform our car. The new bumper, I'm getting the I don't know these names. I'm getting the blah 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 new bumper. It's gonna take you next days. Gonna put that on, and then it just means rebuilding and transform our car to make it even better. Yo guys, it's the next day, and still no Z. The KBD bumper is here. Let me show you guys in a second. Car's still in the shop, so we can't do nothing. But the new part is there, the new bumper, because my bumper messed up, so we got a new bumper. So guys, here's the new KBD bumper. Mom, you the goat. She put it on the sun, because I was at school, so she had to put it in the sun. It's pretty what's it called? Like open now. Here the back, still not straight. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty nice. I cannot wait to put it on, because it's gonna look so nice. And then of course we gotta get a paint match, or we get a complete new color. But that's, I don't know, let me get my car first back, because we got the new wheels there and the new bumper. So yeah, I'm so excited to put these two things on. Just happy. I'm just happy, man. But on my bread, but hey, bread is there to spend it, you know. So probably the next video we will be installing new wheels and a new bumper. Honestly, I think the bumper is gonna be a little bit pain in the ass to install, but we'll figure it out. So yeah. Chat, she's finally here. My car is finally back out of the shop. And let me tell you guys what they repaired. So what actually happened again. So here's everything they repaired. So I got a new shock absorber in the rear. We got new two suspension control in the front right and front rear. And we got swipe ball links. And I guess that was all it. And the parts were actually cheaper than the labor. And we got a new alignment, and I guess that was in the price included. So it was actually not that bad of a price, but kind of weird that the labor costs more than the part, but you know what it is. But so yeah, it's fixed here, and of course the new wheels are about to come on, but I think I'm gonna put the new bumper on first. But let's walk around the car, see what's everything that needs to be done. Like right here, paint is cracked, the trunk is cracked, like here the fenders is trash, and I don't know if you can see it, but the hood is crooked, like you see very close here. I don't know, I hope you can see it. It's very close here, and on the other side there's a huge gap, so we'll figure it out. But let's jack it up. Well, let's figure out with the hood first. Jack it up, take off both the front wheels, and then work on the bumper first before we do anything else. But yeah, I couldn't figure out why the hood part, so I'm gonna just go to the body shop, because I gotta go to the body shop anyway, because I gotta talk about new paint job and about the trunk thing. So I'm gonna just talk about if fix it because I cannot figure it out. There's probably a way, or maybe I'm doing it wrong, or maybe I need a new hood or new fender. I don't know if it's a fenders or whatever, but yeah, so we just gonna go do the bumper, and I feel like that's not gonna be a fun job because the fenders are all messed up, so yeah. Okay, first we gotta put this the base on, and it says we gotta put it somewhere at the bottom. Well, let's figure it out and see. I need a light. Okay, we got the mounting bracket on, and now let's figure the next step out. I don't know. Okay, now we're gonna drill the holes just in the front, or actually now we're gonna drill the holes, line it up, and then rivet it. I don't know what I'm doing, chat. Let's look at this. Squeeze. And we got it. We got the first rivet in. Hey! So chat, we got the bumper on, and I don't know. It's not the best fitment, honestly. Maybe I did it wrong. There's a huge gap here. There's a gap here. This is not here. I mean, that could be because my hood is crooked, but there's a gap here. I mean, honestly, my car is not supposed to be a show car, but I mean, it looks fine. And then you go closer, and it looks kind of trash. But, you know, we're finally done with the bumper, though. We're going to move to finally putting the wheels on. Finally. So, yeah, let's clean up a little bit. Put the front ones on. Okay, we finally got to put on the wheels. Chat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they look insane. So this is a few days later because I realized I forgot to order lug nuts. And when you buy aftermarket wheels, you have to get lug nuts. So we got new lug nuts and they fit. So finally, let's put the wheels on and go for a drive after a month. So now we got some detail for the Z. These are valve stems for the new wheels. I mean, I just had them seen them on Amazon for $10. They just have Z on, and we gotta take off the old valve stems off too. Let's put these on, a little detail, look nice. $10 on Amazon, and leave the link in the description below. So guys, we finally got our car. It's dirty, so we're gonna clean it now, go for a drive, shoot some clips of the new wheels and the bumper, and then yeah guys. So guys, we finally got the car back. We're driving it right now, and yeah guys, I'm so happy to have my car back. Just be excited for the next videos. I got some good videos planned, or some parts that we will be installing on this car. My car drives perfectly fine now. The newer wheels, I just feel the grip there. The wide tires in the back feel great. And yeah man, just excited to have my car back after a month. And I think it's been 2 months since I have uploaded a video, but we're finally back. And yeah, I just cannot wait to work on this car again. So yeah.